So we are going to the double-decker bridge. And he's Ben.
Hi.
Say hi, Ben.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm Prasenjit. और हमारे पीछे राजदीप दौड़ता हुआ आ रहा है. It's amazing. Actually, we are going downstairs, but there are little bit of upstairs also in the middle. And again, we will go downstairs. We started very late.
Yeah.
We started at 1.
Yeah.
And the average timing to go downstairs is 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
So we are planning to do it in 1 hour. So we can see the rainbow at the Rainbow Falls.
But if we saw the rainbow, I think I will put a record. This is the first time in my life
Okay.
with you.
Yes.
Because we start late and then we saw the rainbow.
Rainbow, yes, it will be a new thing for you also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ben is also excited.
Yeah.
You have to check your legs. We are running. I'm trying to catch up with Ben.
We are running now. And then when we reach to the rainbow, we go to the water. And then everything is not painting.
Yes, everything. We will forget every pain, every sweat.
Yeah.
It will only be
Yeah.
the adventure.
Yeah.
There is a bridge in between. You can see the river flowing down. It's a whole metal bridge. Here it is, Rajdeep. Late. Oh, Rajdeep, slowly and steadily joining us. We are waiting for him. Come. Oh, this is another smaller root bridge. So you can see the tree is alive and its root has become the bridge. It's a smaller one though. So there is also another registration booking counter. So the charges are adult 50 per person, children 20, camera 50, GoPro 100, video camera 200, shooting film 5,000. So we have got our receipt of rupees 200 for 2 person. And Rajdeep has arrived. Hi Rajdeep, how are you? So finally we have arrived the root bridge. This is the tree and this is the first decker. And you can see there, that is the double decker. This is the first floor and that is the ground floor. Or you can say that was the first floor and that the second floor. But we will be going forward up to Rainbow Falls. Our target is first Rainbow Falls. We are trying to see the rainbow up there. So it will be very lucky being us to see the rainbow there. At this time of the hour, it's 1:45 itself.
Shall we stop?
Oh, there is fish out there. The water is so clean. Oh, we're going to the Rainbow Falls. Look at the jungle. Look at the stairs. I'm very much excited. And Ben is very energetic. He is pushing us to reach there within 15 minutes. Let's do it.
Let's do it, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh. I and Ben have been running the stairs up. What's the time, Ben? It's still 2 or 2:05.
Yeah.
It's 2:05. Another we have 10 minutes. And there is a bridge. Oh, similar kind of bridge that we encountered some time back. People are standing there. The water is so clean.
I mean,
Oh, yet another. It's a single route bridge. It's a old one though. It's a bit risky also. You can see bamboos have been placed there to make it stronger. So we have to go up there, the top of the falls. There is a small waterfall falling down. I have to go these stairs to reach the Rainbow Fall. Oh, I won't lie, but it's already 2:15. We started at 2 from double decker. So I'm unable to complete it in 15 minutes. But I have to reach there. Oh, I'm about to reach. It took me 25 minutes till here. It's 2:25. I'm so happy to see the waterfall. Oh, see the blue water. Oh, God. The air. It's peace out here. I have to just go down there. Finally. We have reached the waterfall. And to my hard luck, the sun is hitting in backside the cloud. Oh, I hope in some time the cloud gets disappeared. The water.